In this particular video, we are looking into the structure of nucleic acid. Nucleic acid has nucleosides, and nucleosides are formed by the combination of nitrogenous bases with pentose sugar. Looking into the structure of pentose sugars are monosaccharides which have 5 carbon atoms, and the examples which we look here is ribose and deoxyribose. Ribose is the pentose sugar which is present in RNA, and deoxyribose is the sugar which is present in DNA. The structure given here is of ribose. Let us also see the carbon naming over here. So the carbon numbering starts from here. This is the first carbon. This is the second carbon. This is the third carbon. This is the fourth carbon, and this is the fifth carbon. So this is ribose, which is a pentose sugar. Moving to the structure of nucleoside. So nucleoside will be formed by the association or joining of nitrogenous base and pentose sugar. So seeing this particular structure, this is ribose which is being shown here. Now in this ribose, this was the first carbon that we had seen, and at first carbon nitrogenous base will come and join. Here we have added adenine over here, and the bond which will be formed, which will be N-glycosidic bond. So we can say that in nucleosides, N-glycosidic bond will be formed, and it will be formed at carbon 1 of pentose sugar. So that is how structure of nucleosides is formed. The names of nucleosides will be similar to the nitrogenous base which is added. Say for example, adenine is added here, then the name of nucleoside will be adenosine. If guanine was added, we will call guanosine. If thymine was added, we will call it thymidine. If cytosine was added, we will call it cytidine, and if uracil was added, we will call it uridine. So these are the names of nucleosides that will be formed. If there is phosphate group or phosphoric acid which adds to this nucleoside, then the structure formed will be called as nucleotide. Let us see the structure of nucleotide which is present over here. So in this particular structure, if we see at carbon 1, adenine was added, the bond was N-glycosidic bond. Now this particular phosphoric acid, it will join at carbon 5. So this was the carbon 5. So here this phosphate group will be joined, and the bond formed will be ester bond, and this structure will be called as a nucleotide. Now in this particular structure, we had added adenine, that is adenosine was added with phosphoric acid, and that is why the name was adenylic acid. Similarly, the name will continue. So it will be adenylic acid, guanylic acid, thymidilic acid, cetidilic acid, and uridilic acid, depending on what was the nucleoside that was being added over here. So this is the structure of nucleotides. Now, if we see the structure of nucleotide, then overall this particular structure has 3 chemically distinct entities. There was nitrogenous base which was present. There was pentose sugar which was present, and the third group which is added here is phosphate or phosphoric acid. So these 3 chemically distinct entities together form the nucleotides which are monomers of nucleic acids.